I finished up the flame wheel today and sorted everything up. Got kind of a long wire here going from the video transmitter to the camera. It's just the way it comes from the factory. I'll, of course, when I get my final location on the camera, stick it through the frame, kind of hide the wire, something like that, uh, just to kind of clean it up a little bit. But at this point, I'm not quite sure where the camera is going to be mounted. So I won't shorten it because it is a factory-made cable from the video transmitter to the Mobius, made especially for the Mobius. So wherever the camera ends up being, I'll just put it in the camera and stuff the extra wire inside the top and bottom plate. No big deal. Now then, let's look at the connections. I soldered up the connections to this 12 volt step down regulator, and there it is. That should take care of the 12 volts for the lights and the transmitter. Now this is the video from the transmitter itself, and like I tell you, the transmitters do not transmit 1920 by 1080. They transmit basically old composite video, which is like 720 by 480, and these things kind of go a little bit higher than that. Depends on if they're in PAL or in TSC mode. So basically 720 by 480. Whereas the video that most people see is directly out of the video card like this, that's being recorded by the Mobius internally as it flies. Now you remember on the Honey Badger there was no internal card. And this is the video that everybody shows you of their FPVs. They don't actually show you what they're seeing through the goggles or the monitor, because that video is technically composite video, unless you want to buy a $1,500 video transmitter setup versus a $30 one. So that's about all I can say. This is ready for flight testing. Have a good one.